today?
Not much, chilling.
Oh yeah, coronavirus.
She look good.
Yeah, she do look good. So y'all was having problems trying to get it dry?
Yeah, up in, in the corners where all where it was rusting out around in the corners.
Mm-hmm.
Like back up in here, all around in here. Once he was getting the stuff out of it.
Came out good.
Yeah, we had to get it dry because having the moisture back there, it was bubble.
Yeah, it was looking ugly.
Satisfied?
Oh yeah, it looks
Okay,
good.
good. 509.44.
Okay, it's 5 2. I got her to put that trim on there now.
Yeah, they got your old trim over there. We just didn't want to put it in the bed yet. You got here and looked at it.
Oh yeah.
They sprayed all under his song too.
Oh yeah, he did good. Feel like it's gonna endure the weather.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this stuff here? Yeah.
I said we putting the rims on in about a week and a half.
See, about a week and a half.
Yeah, about a week and a half.
If you get it right now, come back up here and let me see it.
Oh yeah, I got you. For real, for real.
We usually put the warranty stick in the bed, but I didn't know if you wanted it back here or not. Yeah, I'll show you like in this truck here. So I put them in this ram. We used to glue a warranty sticker like somewhere in the bed of the truck when we do it. I
Okay.
didn't know if you wanted it in there or not.
Put it in
But
there.
you still got it's a lifetime warranty with long on it.
This ain't no cheap mess, so put it in there. Shit. It's $500-600 worth of damn work.
They put it in there.
Yeah.
All right, where you want me to we put it on the back end somewhere. Where you want it on? That one got screws on, so you can put it on this block here. Or
Yeah, put it up there.
On
Right
this
there.
one?
Yeah. That's
All right.
cool. We know what y'all think, man. Just gotta put that new chrome trim around it. Put the stripes on, that's the next move. Wet sand it and buff it. We can jump on this interior. Stay tuned.